Hey there everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can easily get back your Snapchat streaks. I know it's really important when you get like 500 streaks days and then you just lost it. So I will show you the proper way how to do it and you will love this. So let's start. First, let's go to your Chrome or internet provider, like I don't know what you got, the browser, and right here, support Snapchat. Just write it here and now just click on support Snapchat. And when you're here, okay, you can click here on contact us. And now you will have here, my snap streaks disappeared. Click on it, search it, and now like this is, you don't need to even read that. So username, write your username. Then we go with your email. This is not my, I use. Your number that you used for creating device. This is really important. Like, okay, what phone you got? It's really important. What phone you got? So right here, I don't know, Samsung S7, friend's username. Who is your friend that you got a streaks with? And when did you start having this issue? And just write that. This is really important to do this in a moment, in the day when it happens, so they can solve it for you. And how long was your snap streak? Like, okay, right here, like, I don't know, 500 days or 200 days. And did you see the hourglass icon? Yes or no? The last step is one information should we know. Just write here everything, right? Write here everything what you know, what happened, it was bugged or whatever. So that's like really important. So just write it here and you will got it. And then just send it and then you will get back your Snapchat streaks. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if this video was helpful, I will really be happy if you would write in a comment. So how long was your streak? How long was your streak? And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.